I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Hustle as a trigger. Choose a form. Next. Search and select Zoho Bigin for action. Here give the meaningful integration name as you want. Select a respected data center. Here need the client ID and client secret for authorization. Please visit the Zoho API console. Click Get Started. Go to Server-Based Applications. Give the name. Here need the homepage URL and authorized redirect URI. Go to the authorization page and copy the homepage URL. Paste it here. Also, copy the authorized redirect URI. And paste it here. Now click Create. This is the client ID and client secret. Copy the client ID and client secret and paste the authorization page. Now click Authorize. Click Accept. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Select the respective module as you want. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to realize according to specific requirements. Click Next. Now save the integrations. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Also, go to Zoho Bigin and check the data is listed or not. Here is the data coming into Zoho Bigin from Bit Integrations plugin. Thanks for watching.